Chicago's Gold Coast is known for being really extravagant, but little did most people know it's also known for being the biggest area in Chicago for prostitution. It's estimated that about 4,000 women are selling themselves for sex in Chicago each week. And even though this was most likely known by the Chicago government and police system for quite some time now, it was just majorly brought up to the media through the death of 22-year-old Brianna Gardner and the Gold Coast Madam, who was basically a pimp running a sex for sale operation out of Chicago. This is crazy. You think of prostitution, the first thing that comes to mind is Las Vegas, right? Definitely not Chicago. But hey, it's going on here. Chicago, why don't you worry less about raising taxes on cigarettes and more about creating jobs in the city so that these women who are putting themselves at risk in order to support themselves could have an actual chance at life? You know what? No, it's not even about jobs. It's more about laws and abiding by them. Do your job, Chicago police. This is completely ridiculous. These women are someone's daughter, someone's wife, someone's cousin, etc., and it needs to stop.